Simple English sentences to increase fluency. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I read. I read books. I read books every day. I read books every day in the evening. She sings. She sings well. She sings well at parties. She sings well at parties with her friends. We play. We play soccer. We play soccer after school. We play soccer after school in the park. He eats. He eats apples. He eats apples in the morning. He eats apples in the morning for breakfast. They run. They run fast. They run fast at the gym. They run fast at the gym on weekends. I cook. I cook dinner. I cook dinner every night. I cook dinner every night for my family. She writes. She writes stories. She writes stories for children. She writes stories for children at her desk. We travel. We travel often. We travel often by car. We travel often by car during holidays. He works. He works hard. He works hard at school. He works hard at school every day. They sleep. They sleep early. They sleep early on weekends. They sleep early on weekends for better health. I listen. I listen to music. I listen to music at home. I listen to music at home in the evening. She dances. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully in shows. She dances gracefully in shows at school. We laugh. We laugh loudly. We laugh loudly together. We laugh loudly together at funny jokes. He swims. He swims well. He swims well in the pool. He swims well in the pool every morning. They study. They study English. They study English at night. They study English at night before exams. I draw. I draw pictures. I draw pictures in my notebook. I draw pictures in my notebook with pencils. She shops. She shops online. She shops online for clothes. She shops online for clothes every weekend. We watch. We watch movies. We watch movies on Fridays. We watch movies on Fridays at home. He reads. He reads newspapers. He reads newspapers every morning. He reads newspapers every morning with coffee. They paint. They paint walls. They paint walls on Sundays. They paint walls on Sundays at home. I help. I help my mother. I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen after lunch. She speaks. She speaks clearly. She speaks clearly in meetings. She speaks clearly in meetings at work. We clean. We clean the house. We clean the house together. We clean the house together on Saturday. He teaches. He teaches math. He teaches math to children. He teaches math to children in school. They garden. They garden outside. They garden outside in spring. They garden outside in spring on weekends. I smile. I smile often. I smile often at people. I smile often at people I meet. She cooks. She cooks rice. She cooks rice for dinner. She cooks rice for dinner every night. We hike. We hike mountains. We hike mountains on holidays. We hike mountains on holidays with friends. He calls. He calls his friend. He calls his friend on Sundays. He calls his friend on Sundays at 10 a.m. They sing. They sing songs. They sing songs in class. They sing songs in class before lunch. I walk. I walk alone. I walk alone in the evening. I walk alone in the evening every day. She drives. She drives fast. She drives fast on highways. She drives fast on highways in the morning. We bake. We bake cakes. We bake cakes for birthdays. We bake cakes for birthdays every year. He learns. He learns French. He learns French online. He learns French online every night. They fish. They fish quietly. They fish quietly in the lake. They fish quietly in the lake on weekends. I work. I work late. I work late on weekends. I work late on weekends at the office. She drinks. She drinks coffee. She drinks coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning before work. We write. We write emails. We write emails every day. We write emails every day at work. He jogs. He jogs daily. He jogs daily in the park. He jogs daily in the park at 6 a.m. They wait. They wait patiently. They wait patiently for the bus. They wait patiently for the bus every morning. I jump. I jump high. I jump high in games. I jump high in games with friends. Well done. Please go through this video again. Train your speech, train your ears, train your mind. Bye for now.